Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Joby here. If you are new, welcome. I upload cooking, cleaning, organization, and mommy vlogs. If you are new, I would love you subscribe and be part of my YouTube community. In today's video, we are going to clean the kitchen, cook, and organize.
My future was blurry and numb, a tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came and sat right next to me. Your eyes.
Without further ado, let's get started. Hello guys, good morning. Today's video guys, we are going to clean with me. Yes, I'm not sure if I can do many things today. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to tackle the kitchen. As you can see, our kitchen is a mess. It's a disaster guys. Yes, I made celery juice this morning, so I have to wash this machine, juicer machine, and also you know, as you can see guys, it's so messy. Yes, and purchases here, fresh produce here. Yes guys, yes, so we are going to do this. So my kids and my husband, they went out guys for a walk, and the kids want to eat ice cream, so they went to buy ice cream and other stuff. First thing that we are going to do is to keep the dried plates and cotton pans, and then after that we are going to keep also guys the clean dishes that I have in my dishwasher. And then after that we are going to load the dishwasher, and we're going to hand wash all the things that needed to be hand washed.
I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. I will always remember it. How you turned everything around. I will always remember it. How you got me off the battleground. How you got me off the battleground. Yeah. You took it.
We also need to wash the juicer machine.
I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together it's always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. Emptied out my soul. You've heard.
Okay guys, so habang nililinisan ko ito guys, magpakulo ako guys ng lentils kasi I really want to try my malunggay guys. So I'm going to show you my malunggay later. They have not so much leaves yet, but yeah, I think I have to take some out para lalabas pa yung ibang mga branches niya guys. That's what I think. So yeah, I'm really so excited to try my malunggay, to use my malunggay. And yes, I'm going to cook lentils guys, as I have not mungo because it's really difficult to find mungo here. So this is the substitute of my mungo. So, isa lang guys ang lutuin natin. Kasi, konti lang kasi guys ang ano. Kasi konti lang naman kasi guys ang malunggay natin. Kaya konti din lang ang ilagay, lutuin natin. Kasi nga gusto nating itry.
Honest, but I know. Left these years ago. I was young and I'm old. Still can't fill the void. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love?
Now that the lentil is on fire, let's continue washing.
What do we do to love when everything's said and done? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love when everything's said and done? Thought I would have grown off the beaten track to become a better man, sinking in the sand. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love when everything's said and done? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love when everything's said and done? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love when everything's said and done? What do we do to love?
And guys, our neighbor just gave me this lettuce, so beautiful lettuce. Yes guys, can you see that? Fresh from their garden guys. Yes, because they have huge garden and he planted many plants guys. So every summer, spring or summer, they give us many vegetables. Yes, so beautiful, love it. So we're going to have this for lunch.
What do we do to love? What do we do to love when everything's said and done? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love when everything's said and done? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love when everything's said and done? What do we do to love?
And now I am drying the juicer machine.
Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over.
Okay guys, so we are going to assemble this para itago na natin.
Limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over limits with you right now.
And my munggo guys is cook na din siya guys. Ayan. So igisa na natin. Let me check. Maybe 5 minutes more guys. So guys, maganda siya kasi may suction cup siya dito guys, para hindi madulas. Yeah, so maganda siya. I love it talaga. So guys, luto na. Igisa na lang natin siya guys. So let's go outside and take the malunggay. Ayan, luto na siya guys. Luto na siya. Yes guys, let's go and take the malunggay. Let's see.
Get it right now. Yeah, push over limits with you right now.
So ayan guys, ang aking malunggay. They are not so beautiful, but let's take. Ayan. Because I want my husband to try, guys. And may bunga na rin ang ating ano, guys, okra. Ayan, okra. At ang gabi natin, guys. Wow! Ayan, ang dami niyang babies, guys. Ayan, pero itong isa wala siyang babies. Pero this one, yes. And mint ito, guys. The other day, as in na ano ko siya, guys, nung baby pa siya, na natanggal ko siya, pero naamoy ko, sabi ko, ano, mint. So, ayan, may mint na kami. Ito lang, guys, ang ating malunggay. So my husband and my kids just arrived home, and look what they bought. They bought these kind of ice cream fruit detox, it says, and it is 100% fruit and vegetables, without additives, without sugar, 100% ingredients, original and natural, 100% guys of ingredients. So it is really so nice. One box has 5. One box, it contains 5. And they also bought these Kinder Bueno for the kids. Yummy, delicious. Okay guys, so linisan natin ito, guys. We're going to take the leaves na maganda. Yes. So this is the only malunggay leaves we have, guys. Yes.
How you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other.
Okay guys, so ito na ang ating lentils with malunggay, na konting malunggay. Yes, looks so yummy. Kain na tayo, guys. So after lunch, guys, and now it's time to tackle all these fresh produce on the floor. It's time to keep them.
Sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I couldn't get him off.
These are red teas from Iran, guys. Organic. Binigay nila kay hubby, yung mga farmers, binigay nila kay hubby.
Away from each other, didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on. How to carry on.
We also have, guys, this. As you know, guys, that we are using our juicer. So, bumili si hubby, guys, ng dalawang bundle. Ng dalawang ganito, guys, ng celery for our juice. I think I'm going to take out all the leaves and I will put in the fridge para hindi siya gaano malanta. But, yes, guys, as you can see now, it's so clean here. I mean, ano na lang natin guys. We are going to vacuum. Hello guys, so I just found out that they bought 2 more kilos of cherries guys. Yes, cherries. Tapos ito yung binili nila kahapon. So bali 3 kilos na guys ang cherries namin. So what I'm going to do is ilagay ko sa ano guys, sa box na kahoy. So ito guys ang gamitin natin. Ilagay natin lahat.
Close my eyes and I'm back in your arms, back in your arms I fall.
Ha? Ano kasi guys, itong box na to is good for 2 kilos lang. Kasi nga 3 ang binili nila. Kaya ayan, nag-overflow na.
Tried so hard to forget what we had, but then something reminds me of you. Do you remember the necklace you gave me? I wear it every day. And oh, it's been a long time since we were together, but there's a special place in my heart that's yours forever.
Kuha na kayo guys! Kuha na kayo!
I belong, fly right back to my home sweet home if I could.
Kuha na kayo! Dali! 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 Dalian nyo na!
Can fly high up above the open sea.
What we are going to do is let's cut the celery.
Back in your arms I'd fly.
So itago natin guys sa ref.
If I could fly, I'd fly right back to where I belong.
So guys, dito ko na lang inilagay itong isang ganito guys na oranges and our fruit bowl. As in na ano na nabiak na yung banana natin guys. So ganyan na lang guys. And dito ko na din inilagay ang ating cherries. Yes guys. So okay na. Everything is in order na, but we have to vacuum the floor. So the last thing that I have to do is to vacuum the kitchen. So thank you all so much guys for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you won't miss any fun videos guys. Cleaning videos, cooking, and mommy vlogs. See you again soon. Bye guys.